Hello everyone! Welcome back to Crafty Elf! In this video, I'll be showing you my general songwriting workflow. Let's go! Step 1. Come up with a theme for the song. This is the barest idea of what you want your song to sound like. For instance, for Fading Hope and Fading Joy, I wanted them to be sad orchestral pieces, while for Fading Peace, I had the idea of a lot of brass instruments and war drums. Whatever theme you want your song to be like will greatly influence how you go about making it. Obviously. Step 2. If you can, come up with a melody or beat for the song. I usually just go about my day making up random melodies, and if one really works for a song idea, I'll rush and record myself singing it while it's fresh in my mind. Later, you can come back to them and figure out the pitch and length of each beat. If your song has lyrics, now would also be a good time to write them out. If you can't come up with a tune, you can just make one up based on your theme when you get to writing out the music. Speaking of that, step 3 is writing out your song on a musical score sheet. For this step, I generally use MuseScore, so that's what I'll be showing for this tutorial. Select a bunch of instruments that fit the theme and mess around with them, trying to find the ones that will work for your song. Then, you can plot out the notes and write it. Before we move on, here are some basic tips for writing good music. If you have lyrics, have at least one instrument that only plays notes that go along with the words. All the other instruments should be variations on the same melody, with different tunes for the verses, chorus, etc. Bring the instruments in and out at various times. You don't need that many instruments, 2 to 4 conventional instruments should be enough. For the chorus, bring in as many instruments as you think would work. Step 4. Once you've written out the music for the instruments, I suggest copying all the instruments and putting them on their own files, so you can adjust their volume later. Once you've done that, export all of them as .mp3 files and put them all in a multi-track sound editor, like Audacity. You can adjust the audio levels and move the tracks around if you need to. Step 5. Some instruments either aren't on MuseScore or don't sound the best, so if you want to, and can, try recording them yourself. This works especially well for more complex drum rhythms. Just record a tune on an instrument kit or something similar, and then bring it into Audacity. Once you've finished editing and are happy with how it sounds, you're pretty much done. Export the audio, and then you have your own song. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye!